Good evening, students. Welcome you to the English language class today. Now, today we are going to have the second unit, which is the topic is excuse me. As we had learned previously in the first topic about introduction. How we did introduction. What is introduction? We learned about that. Now we are coming to the topic excuse me. This is a conversation between a tourist and two American people or a couple sitting in a restaurant, and they surmise. Surmise means doubt. They surmise that they are Americans. So he goes up to him and he says, "Excuse me." "Good evening, sir. Good evening. Are you American? Are you American?" "Pardon me?" Now, pardon me, when we use the word pardon me, people usually say sorry. And sorry means, sorry, I've stamped your feet. Or sorry, please repeat again. But pardon me basically over here means only to repeat again. So keep in mind that pardon me means repeat again. Are you from the United States? Yes, we are. Now, the person who is asking the couple, "Are you American?" he will always say you. But when we come to giving the answer or replying, we will say yes, we are. Because remember, that's a couple, not a one person. So we'll say yes, we are. And when we carry on, we'll say, "Oh, what a coincidence." Now, when we come to the word coincidence, it's always taken as what a coincidence. What a coincidence means that whenever we see something or we go to some place and we say, "Oh, what a coincidence, I'm here too." So we are confirming it that we are here too with you, or we are in the same place with you today. So what a coincidence means that we are here too with you. And then you can always give, "That's great, that's nice, that's wonderful," up to you. Please take a seat. Obviously, when you're coming to the couple and you're talking to them, obviously you'll say, "Please take a seat," or "Please sit down," or "Please have a seat." It's up to you. And obviously, it's a coffee shop or it's a small restaurant. So obviously, coffee is already placed on the table. So we will say, "Coffee? Yes, please. Sugar? 2 teaspoons, sir. Milk? Yes, please. Cream? No, thanks." By the way, where are you from? Now keep in mind that when we're using by the way means when we remember something or something comes back to our mind, so we're going to confirm it. So we say, "By the way, did you do this? Did you bring your book?" Now, and keep this in mind that the conversation over here is about moving. They are tourists and a couple, they are both moving. So over here we say, "By the way, where are you from?" "New York." "And you?" "Los Angeles." "For what purpose?" Obviously, for what reason he is in the USA. For what reason he is in New York. For what purpose? Business. "And you?" "Vacation." Now, whenever we give an answer, like New York, whatever the answer may be, X, Y, Z, we will always immediately question at the same time and say, "And you?" Carry on. "How long?" 10 days. 10 days. "And you?" "A week." Now, basically, in Pakistan, people always say 1 week, which is totally wrong. We always have to mention a week because one we use a week. Then when we wind up the conversation, we will always say, "Anyway, it's been a pleasure meeting you." Pleasure basically means happiness. A person is happy. So he's happy to meet you. Then again we can use the word "me too" over here. But over here we use another optional word which is same here, which means the same. So I use same here. Then when you are ending the conversation, when you have spoken to him, you will say, this is my contact. Whenever you come to New York, please do contact me. Sure, whenever you meet a person and you wind up the conversation, you'll always in the end give him your contact and say, whenever you come to my city, to definitely contact me. Sure, why not? Okay, bye. See you then. Bye. That's the end of our Unit 2. And I thank you very much for the class. And I hope to see you tomorrow at the same time.